Hello, this week I wanted to talk about the Zeigarnik effect. So it started with a Russian psychologist named Bluma Zeigarnik, and she noticed that waiters remembered unpaid orders better than the paid ones. So she did some further research on this, and further experiments showed that adults remembered unfinished tasks 90% more often than they could remember finished tasks, which I thought was really interesting. So I looked a little bit further into this. I used a textbook as a resource, but I also looked up different online materials on websites, and then I found a YouTube video that I watched. And I found out that there is tension with these unfinished tasks, which makes an individual more likely to remember the unfinished tasks better than finished tasks. So an example in the YouTube video I watched said that this can be used in an educational setting by breaking up the tasks in the course material in school to encourage student engagement with the material, but also kind of like that cliffhanger, like in shows and books. Having those cliffhangers keeps you coming back for more. You're motivated to keep watching to see what happens. You're more likely to keep thinking about things if there is that like cliffhanger. I thought this was interesting because I can apply it to myself. I didn't realize that it was affecting me, but usually when I do like a paper or a project or a different assignment, I like to do it all at one time. Just so that I can get it over with, because I know if I start it and then stop it, I might be thinking about it a little bit more. But I realize that could also benefit me if I do start projects and assignments earlier on, because I can return to it. If I'm thinking about that unfinished task, I could find a new way to look at it, a new perspective, a new lens. So that could encourage me to be a little bit more thoughtful in the work that I finish and the things that I create. But yeah, I just thought it was an interesting topic in the textbook, so that's why I wanted to do a little bit more digging on it. But yeah, thank you.